$500. Every single week. Same system, same free tools. Copy it today. In 2026, beginners using free AI tools earn $500 to $800 weekly. Not passive, not a course, active income, starting in week 1. At the end of this video, I will show you the one tool that runs this entire system on autopilot. Stay until 5 minutes 30. That is the moment everything connects. In part 1, I showed you the 5 free tools. Today, part 2, I show you how they connect. The system that turns 5 tools into $500 every week. Before I start, one question. What is stopping you right now from starting your AI side hustle? Drop your honest answer below. I reply to every single one. The entire system is 3 steps. Find, create, deliver. Every order you ever complete follows this exact sequence. Nothing else, nothing extra. Step 1 is find. You are looking for one thing, a buyer who needs content created and does not have the time or skill to do it. They are everywhere. You just need to know where. Open vidIQ. Go to Daily Ideas. Sort by rising. Any topic with a green score above 50 is a rising demand signal. That topic is your next deliverable. Open Fiverr. Go to buyer requests. Filter by writing and content creation. Every post here is a buyer who is waiting to pay someone right now. You have the tools. Send the proposal. Reddit. r/newtubers and r/entrepreneur. Search the word help in each subreddit. Every post that says, I need a thumbnail or I need a script is a warm lead. Comment with genuine value first. Go to YouTube. Search your niche. Filter by this week. Find channels with 1,000 to 10,000 subscribers. Look at their thumbnails. Bad thumbnail. That is your prospect. Build one free sample. Send it. 10 prospects found in 15 minutes. 3 of 10 will reply to a free sample. 1 of 3 will pay. First client. Step 1 complete. Step 2 is create. The buyer gives you the brief. You take it to ChatGPT. 1 structured prompt. Professional deliverable. 60 seconds. For product descriptions, use this exact prompt. Write a professional product description for, then paste the product details. Under 100 words, benefit focused, ready to publish. For YouTube scripts, slightly different prompt. Write a 7-minute faceless YouTube script about, then paste the vidIQ topic. Max 12 words per sentence. Beginner friendly. Spoken delivery. For thumbnails, open Canva. Search YouTube thumbnail in their template library. Pick a bold text template. Replace the text with your client's title. Match their brand colors. Export PNG. Done. For voiceovers, open ElevenLabs. Paste the client script. Select the Adam or Antoni voice. Set stability 75%. Click Generate. Download the MP3. 30 seconds. For product images, open Google Flow. Describe the product. Add photorealistic, white background, professional studio lighting. Generate 4. Pick the sharpest. Export PNG. 2 minutes. For video editing, open CapCut. Import the client's raw footage. 1 click. Auto caption. Add lo-fi background music at 10% volume. Export at 1080p. 20 minutes. Done. 5 tools. 1 system. ChatGPT. Scripts and descriptions. Canva. Thumbnails. ElevenLabs. Voiceovers. Google Flow. Images. CapCut. Video edits. This is a real order. $25 for a product description. Written by ChatGPT in 60 seconds. Delivered in 5 minutes. Step 3 is deliver. Go to your Fiverr order, click Deliver Order, upload the file. Write 3 lines, your file, the time taken, your availability. The 3-line delivery message. Line 1. Here is your file. Line 2. I completed it in under the promised time. Line 3. I am available for revisions. Send. Wait for the 5-star review. After delivering, add 1 line. If you need the next video done, I can deliver within 24 hours. 3 of 10 buyers will respond yes. 1 order becomes 2. Same buyer. No finding, no pitching. 1 week. All 5 tools active. ChatGPT and Canva, $265. ElevenLabs, $100. Google Flow and CapCut, $190. Total, $555. Week 1 is not $555. Week 1 is your first client, your first delivery, your first review. That review is worth more than any tool in this video. Here is what the week looks like. Monday, find 10 prospects, 30 minutes. Tuesday, create deliverables, 45 minutes. Wednesday through Friday, deliver orders, collect reviews. Total active time, 75 minutes per week. After your first 5 reviews, the system changes. Buyers find you. You do not find them. Fiverr's algorithm pushes your gig to buyers searching right now. Inbound leads. 0 extra effort. 5 reviews. Raise your price by 30%. 10 reviews. Raise it again. Same tools, same workflow. Higher price, higher income. Never discount after your first 10 reviews. Before you deliver any AI-created work, disclose it in your Fiverr gig description. 1 sentence is enough. I use AI tools to create your deliverables. Transparency builds trust. Trust builds reviews. The tool that runs this entire system on autopilot. Zapier. Zapier connects your tools automatically. New Fiverr order received. Zapier sends the brief to ChatGPT. ChatGPT sends the draft to your email. The mistake. Activating all 5 gigs in week 1. You get 1 order. You panic. You deliver badly. 1-star review. The system stops. 1 tool, 1 gig, 1 client. Master it. I built a free checklist for this system. The $500 per week system. 12 daily steps. Link in the description right now. No email needed. Copy it. Follow it. This week. 1 question before you go. What is stopping you right now from starting your AI side hustle? Drop your honest answer below. I will reply with your exact first step. Next Thursday, Part 3. How I used ChatGPT to land my first AI client in 48 hours. Real client message. Real reply. Copy-paste outreach template. Free. Subscribe. That one is important. Subscribe to this channel. New AI system every week. Always free tools. Drop your tool number in the comments. 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5. I send you your first step today.